Hello friends, welcome back to Stable Automation. This video is for Siemens TI Portal user. Here we will discuss keyboard shortcuts for TI Portal. This will definitely help you in faster troubleshooting, development or commissioning at site. Okay, let's open any sample backup. Okay, here I don't have many networks. Let's open another. Okay, here I have multiple networks. So if you want to see how many networks you have, just press Alt F12. This will close all networks. So from here you can have overview of your networks. Then you can open that network you would like to open. And again, if you press Alt plus F11, it will expand all the networks. So you can come to your work. So all networks are expanded. Now to check particular this tag, say for example this tag where it has been used, press Alt plus F8. So it will show you the different places where it has been used as a read access. Right now our tag is in write condition, so it will show you read access. It will show you result around different program blocks. Let's open this one. So now our tag is in read condition at this point. So if you press the same Alt F8, it will show you write access of the same tag. So this tag is getting written at two different places. Let's open this. So it is in reset condition. Now if you want to check at which different places this tag has been used within the same program block, then you can press Alt Shift F. It will find the previous, and if you press Alt Shift G, it will find the next result. So within the same program block you can check your tag. End of result. Now press Alt Shift G, it will find the next one. So this will help you to find your tag within open program block. Now for example, say you want to change the name of your tag, you want to rename, then just simply click your tag, select your tag and press Crl+Shift+T. So it will open the rename dialog box. So from here you can rename your tag name. Say putting some other name and change it. So it is having new name. Now again Crl+Shift+T, back to the original name. Now when you are working with multiple logic sheet and you want to navigate between each sheet, instead of using mouse you can use Alt Control and your left or right navigation button. So you can navigate between your tabs or windows of your logic. Now to cross-reference your tag, you can press F11. This will open cross-reference in new window. So from here you can have cross-reference of your tag, but if you press Shift plus F11, it will open your cross-reference in the same page in this information window. So same cross-reference result is available here. Again press Shift plus F11 and cross-reference. Now to zoom in or zoom out your current view, you can press Ctrl and plus or minus key. So it will zoom in and zoom out your view area. create new network, you can simply press Ctrl+R. So it will create a new network. So friends, this is the summary of shortcuts that we have covered in today's video. I don't want it to overload with so many shortcuts in single video. So till then, you can practice the shortcuts and I will prepare the next shortcut video. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you.